Hey guys, Infidel 1258 here. I had my Secret Santa yesterday with my office. We went out for lunch, we exchanged gifts, it was a lot of fun. I received a really cool gift I got from a friend of mine who knows I'm into crypto. He gave me um, two pieces of artwork that were framed, and the art in question is one is the Bitcoin chart from the last 12 months, and the other is the Ethereum chart from the last 12 months. He knows I'm into crypto. In fact, I kind of encourage him to get into Ethereum. Unfortunately, he kind of FOMOed in pretty tippy top of the Ethereum charts, and so he's a little bit. I think he's a little bit disappointed, but he didn't put much in, and me, yeah, it sucks to see the charts come down to where they are, and we all know that the cryptocurrency is taking a beating. But I mean, I was buying Bitcoin around 3,500, and Bitcoin's around 3,300. Any losses I've taken so far are not because of the market falling. My losses are around like idiotic handling and trading, and at one time I took a big loss because I was I was using leverage to go long on Bitcoin Cash in November of 2017 when Bitcoin Cash was like skyrocketing up, and I made several $100s doing that, and then I lost it all in a minute because it just crashed, like flash crashed. And so, anyways, that was a stupid decision. I don't use leverage trading anymore. Another little bit of my losses over the last year are, I was one of the uh, people who got sucked into the BitConnect thing. I didn't put a lot of money into it. I didn't get anybody to come in under me. Um, so I don't have any bad feelings about it from that perspective. I took a gamble with it, and yeah, it was a stupid decision, but it's behind me. You make mistakes, you pick yourself up, you dust yourself off, and then one other thing I did was I put some IOTA in an IOTA wallet, and of course I sent my cryptocurrency from my exchange to my wallet in two separate transactions. If you don't know, you can't do that with IOTA. You have to use a new address every time, or the wallet freezes. And my coins are in there locked away now. It's so frustrating. They're still there. If I turn that wallet into a full node, I can activate and release those coins myself. But operating a full node is complicated. So for now, I consider those IOTA lost. And at 23 cents or whatever IOTA is currently valued at per IOTA, per myota, no thanks. I'm not going to go to the hassle. It's not even $200. And so I've lost a fair bit of money in this space, but primarily it's because of my own idiocy. And I'll be the first to admit, I came into cryptocurrency not knowing very much, not knowing how to operate wallets, not knowing, um, you know, how what leverage trading even was, or how to do it properly, how to close my positions, and how to do stop losses. And these have been learning experiences. Um, and I think I'm better for them. So I don't mind having been lost something over the last year. And I look at the gifts that my friend gave me, those two charts, and I say to myself, I'm gonna proudly hang these on my wall. Yeah, it's been a rough year. Yes, I made some stupid decisions. Yes, I lost some money, but I don't believe long term that my investment is going to do anything but increase in value, in fiat value. And more importantly, as you all know, if you follow me, and I collect silver, I collect Bitcoin because I'm not really concerned about my fiat wealth. I'm concerned about my wealth as measured in comparison to, metrics that I'm interested in getting into. So, how much is gold worth to the Dow Jones? How much is silver to gold ratio? How much is my Bitcoin? How much gold can my Bitcoin get, and vice versa? So it's been a tough year for you. It's been a tough year for me. It's been a tough year for a lot of people, including my friend who got me those cool photos. But you know what? It's Christmas time, and I'm not shaken. I'm not disappointed. I'm not frustrated. This market sucks, but in a year's time, I think we're going to be laughing about where we're at. And if you're watching this video, I think you're in a good position because If you're interested in cryptocurrency right now, you are you are the tip of the spear. There is nobody that's into crypto except for right now, except for people who have a little and who are, in my opinion, positioned because of the coins they already hold. They're positioned to move into the next bull run um, and take full advantage. So I'm optimistic. I'm positive. I'm excited, and I'm grateful that my buddy gave me those gifts that are, you know, let's say a commemoration of a difficult year where I learned a lot. And I think, you know what, you like I said earlier, we all make mistakes, but what do you do after you fall? Do you pick yourself up and dust yourself off and move on, or do you just sit and linger and um, cry and moan about the difficulty you experienced? I hope it's the former, and if it is, I think you're like me going to be here when that next bull run comes, and it will come. And simultaneously, things are tough for everybody. You look at this stock market, and it is going to get worse. There is nothing coming down the pipe that is positive news. Interest rates are allegedly slowing, but it's not enough. Earnings reports and projections for 2019 are poorer than expected. GDP dropped and is expected to linger around high twos, low threes. Um, Inflation is still a problem, and so whatever wealth you've got is shrinking because of inflation every single day, not just because of printing from the government, but also fractional reserve lending. So you know what? Everybody's got it tough. Whether you're in stocks, whether you're in bonds, whether you're in cryptocurrency, or even gold or silver. But we're gonna have our day again, guys. Gold, silver, that's coming first, I think, and cryptocurrency probably next. And we're going to see a major bear market, even worse than we've already seen in the Dow and the S&P and the Nasdaq and all the major indices. So stay confident, stay excited, enjoy this Christmas season. Have a laugh at this hard year. Look back at it and say, what have I learned? And let's all have a laugh at it because frankly, like I said, you move forward, right? You don't just sit there and linger and moan about what you've lost. Try and take away a piece of knowledge from that and go stronger into 2019. I really hope that resonates with you guys, and I hope that you can have that for yourself because you know what, you really deserve it. It's been a tough year. Thanks, guys, for your time, for your attention, for your views, for your likes. Find me on steemit.com at infidel1258, and I hope you have an awesome day. God bless you and Merry Christmas. Bye for now.